Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. New, beautiful, Luminar 4, Landscape and Nature Look Collection offers many awesome presets. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Those dull-looking outdoor images can now become a thing of the past, thanks to this fantastic set of nature and landscape Luminar 4 looks. Discover all Luminar 4's new, exciting features. These presets will bring out amazing color and tone in your photos, without compromising quality. Apply them to achieve an artistic look. Gorgeous for landscapes, cityscapes, garden and nature photography. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These landscape looks are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. If some presets are too strong for your image, you can change their opacity and find the look that fits your photo best. This fantastic collection is ideal for bringing the very best of your outdoor photographs. Finally, it's time to enjoy breathtaking sunsets and outdoor images, enhanced with incredible Skylum Luminar 4 effects. Stunning landscape and nature Luminar 4 collection features amazing presets that add a punch of color to give your images some extra life, with new impressive Luminar filters, smart sharpening, fantastic color rendering, and much more. Do not miss the chance to get exclusive landscape and nature Luminar Look collection